To set the white balance on your Eclipse machine, all you got to do is remove the product, and then we supply this simple little color checker, which has colors in it, but it also has a gray patch, and that's the one you need. So just place this one sort of around the middle of the turntable, go into settings, and there you find a section called white balance. It will ask you if you're sure. If you change the white balance, it will affect images that you are going to take, but also any footage that you haven't exported yet. So just confirm that by unlocking. Then everything moves into place, so you can see the gray card, and just simply tap the patch. And you'll actually be able to see the RGB values that it captured at that spot. So make sure that the red, green, and blue, the RGB, are equal. If they are, then you have a good white balance. And when you're done with that, just leave the screen and you can keep on working.